Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and today we have the Brick and Mortar from the E and F case of 2023. So this is from number 4 out of 5 from Hotwheels Brick Rides, and 104 out of 250 Mega Constructs. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So basically this is meant to be like a bone shaker, but in Lego version. I mean Mega Constructs version. So yeah, basically it came in the cart like this, but what you're meant to do is you're meant to disassemble this and put it in the front. There you go. Now it is a bone shaker. I mean, well, brick and mortar, as they say. They could have called it like brick shaker, like how they've done it with the bone speeder, like Baja bone shaker, and many other shakers. They could have at least made it like brick shaker, or maybe bone, like I don't know, like bone bricker. I don't know. I'm not sure, but instead they just call it Brick and Mortars, but it's quite nice as well. Like the name is cool and all, but still you know, it could at least get some improvement, you know. So yeah, this is the Brick and Mortar, which is like I said, it's the bone shaker, but still it's a brick version. So yeah, it's very nice. So this is basically its first release in red, which is not too bad. I mean, we had the bricking trails, we had the custom small block, we had the bricking speed, we had the bricking delivery, and now we have the bricking, I mean the Brick and Mortars, of course. So by now we should have 5, but yeah, I don't know what's the last one. Supposedly there's like another one, I believe, which I'm not sure of, but still. Well, we have the Brick and Mortar, so yeah, let's go ahead and check this one out. There it is, the Brick and Mortars. Basically we have the big off-road wheels at the back, which is in yellow, the rims, and then we have a 1x2 stud right here. Maybe you want to place a minifigure, like I don't know, like sideways, I guess, I don't know. We have some like designs right here at the side right here. You can kind of see it. Yeah, we have like a skeleton right there at the front, as you can see. There you go. And we have some 5-spoke wheels, which are in this thin type of wheels. Kind of reminds me of a bicycle wheel. Very cool. So the front part, you can disassemble it. Basically, you can see right there, it is a 1x1 stud, which you could place this skeleton sort of like face. There you go. Maybe you could put some eyes on it. It's like 1x2 stud right there, which this one connects to the 1x2 at the front, and then we have 1x3 for the hood. We have a 2x3 on the roof, which is not too bad. Maybe you want to put something on top. And then for the back, for the engine part, where we have this. So yeah, here's this part. There's a 1x1 here, where you could, like, I don't know, place studs right there. 1x1 at the back right here, just for putting this. Overall very cool. And a 1x1 at the back. Who knows, maybe you want to put like, I don't know, a barrier, I guess, something like that. But overall very cool. The base is in metal, and it's in this matte type of base. Brick and Mortar 2022 metal, and made in Malaysia. Overall, the bricking mortars, it's quite nice. Maybe they could use a different name, who knows. Overall, it's kind of cool as well. I do quite like it, but it's an okay casting. You know me, I like to collect these type of cars, like the brick type of cars. Like I did reviews of a lot, basically custom small block to breaking trails to breaking speed and then breaking delivery, and now the latest to the batch, the Brickandmotors, which is quite cool. It does kind of resemble a bone shaker, not gonna lie, but it could be kind of better, I guess. It's okay, but not very eye-catching. But overall, it's quite cool. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.